Good morning, lovelies. How are you doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's such a beautiful, pretty morning. I'm so grateful to be awake and I'm happy to see you coming back to watch this video. When I started, I wasn't so sure because I was full of doubts. Like, I was 50-50, but as time goes by, I'm getting to love it. Like, I've developed that passion, loving it more, doing it so passionately. Like, I'm falling in love of what I'm doing every day. Every day is a new day to learn new things, to do more research, because learning is a journey, and what I believe, you cannot know everything in just one moment. It has to take time for you to master something, for you to learn something, for you to get used to it. So I'm really loving it, and I pray that it gets to work. I pray that God gives me the strength, God gives me the courage, that confidence that I need, because there is a lot that I need to know. And for me to know all that, I'll have to step out, interact with others, to meet the people who have the experience in what I want to do. I think that's the only way that I'll get to fulfill my dreams. Okay, I'm done chopping my veggies. I was so happy when I realized that my birds can feed on this. Like, I'm really trying to feed my birds with the right feeds, not to rely on one thing, like not to feed them on one specific feed. That's why you can see I'm trying also to give them veggies. To give my chicken the feeds. Right here you can see I have the drinkers, and these are the feeding traps. So this is how I do it. Like, I place the feeds on the feeding traps like that. I want to balance the equation, so they are two. Yeah, like that. You can see. Like, this is the hectic parts of it, but very interesting. No. They are having the best moment feeding, you can see, and this one's here. So I came here to check on our corns, our maize. So this is the maize plantation, you can see. This is how it looks, and right here, this is where pollination takes place on the flowers, and you can see the formation of corns right here. Like, they are still young, they are not yet mature, and right at this stage they need plenty of rain so that the outcome can be good. So this is how everything looks. Yeah, and they are really doing great, they are really doing good. You see? Yeah, this is a corn plantation, a maize plantation to be precise. Yeah, I love everything about this portion of land because the outcome is so promising. And then down here you can see this is a banana plantation. Yeah, banana plantation right there. And we have this tall and huge cypress tree right here. Very good, a very effective tree. So this is it. He's able. I know my God is able. This is a coffee tree with the coffee beans. This is a coffee tree with coffee berries. See? Very mature, very ripe, ready for harvest. Everything looks amazing. Graveria tree right here, and we also have a pine tree. Yeah, that is it. Welcome back again. As you can see, I'm stepping out. Actually, I'm on the main road heading to the shopping center. I want to get my hair done. It looks unkempt and very shaggy, so I need to do simple cornrows, just simple cornrows with my natural hair. So this is how our shopping center looks like, just simple. Hey God, let me pick up. Yeah, I hope you can see. Let's keep on walking. Almost there. You can see the shops. This is the bus stop. Whenever I want to board a matatu to the next town, this is where I normally board the vehicle. So you can see I want to get to this salon. I don't know if she's busy, kinda. If she is, then we will proceed to the next salon. Where and also this, I want to get in and get my hair fixed, and then I'll catch up with you when I'm done. Straight. Straight. I just want to get some tomatoes. You can see this is how everything looks here. Let me know what you think, guys. Rate my hairstyle. Like for these simple cornrows, I've just paid $3. Maybe the economy has just fixed everybody. Right here, this is where I normally buy vegetables. Then this is the back streets. parking lot for the Wairere. And my prayer is that I get home before it starts raining. So let's go. What else do I need to show you? So this is the way back home. Hopefully you can see, and let me hope that you're enjoying the video. And then we have an amazing river right here. Let me show you. See? It's a big river, very big. When it rains heavily, this river gets full, like it floods. It floods. These are some of the shops here in the shopping center, but not in Fabi. Sometimes it amazes me. People invest so much on this kind of premises and then they end up not using them. I don't know the reason. I know when they were coming up with this kind of projects, they had plans. But along the way, shit happens. So see, this is a bamboo tree right here, and down there that's a river. It's called River Vicente. So let's proceed back home. So good people, let me know what you think. We are still taking our walk back home. This is a village. I'm already out of the shopping center, so this is the other side of the village. Let me show you something, guys. These leaves that you're seeing here in the village, not everyone affords a tissue paper. It's a substitute of tissue papers. If you don't have tissue papers available, they're so convenient, very soft, very fine. Yeah, so when you visit homes, more especially in the interior part of the village, those leaves are planted close to the latrines and toilets. Okay, it's almost raining. You can see, very cloudy. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this burning? Yeah, let's keep on taking a walk. And then we have Lantana Camara there. When we were kids, I remember we used to eat some fruits from the lantana. It has small, very tiny fruits, purple in color, and they taste so sweet. That used to happen when we are grazing the sheep, the cows. We really used to enjoy those fruits, but I don't think if right now I can eat, but I can for fun. Remember to hit on that thumbs up. That will be a good way of supporting this content, guys. And then there is this weed. Let me show you. This weed right here, one that looks like a string. The moment it lands on your trees, on your flowers, I really don't understand the level of acidity it has, because it dries up everything in that vicinity. So it's not a good weed. It isn't a good weed. Okay? And it has really spoiled so many things here. And so many people are complaining about it. We don't know how it came to land in this area. It's causing a major effect. It's causing a major effect on crops, on trees, on flowers, on plants in general. Oh, thank God. Thank God that I'm home before it starts raining. That was my wish. Yeah, beautiful environment. Guys, the good thing about where I come from, Kisii is evergreen, very beautiful. We receive adequate rain throughout the year. Like, this is the small Canaan that God left for us here on earth, and we don't take it for granted. So I'm home sasa. Mbona mwendi nyumbani? Amuoni mvua? Asante. Our cows are right here grazing. This one gave birth to a very beautiful, cute calf, and this other one, it's almost giving birth. You can see, look at how green and amazing the other side of the village looks. Gocha.